a state is sort of, the way when we talk about a particular state, it's almost kind of a snapshot of something that's a flowing and changing experience, because our state is never exactly the same from time to time. It could be much the same for a period of time. I mean, let's say you go jogging or something for half an hour. Probably for that half an hour, there's going to be some similarities in it, but even then it's going to change, because you're going to go from, cold to warm to tired, or, whatever, as you go along. Or if you're meditating and you're sitting there, you're meditating for an hour or something like that, it's going to go from getting comfortable to getting into the meditation and getting focused, and again to maybe getting tired or feeling some muscle aches or something, and then eventually stopping. So there's always this flow. When we take a kind of a snapshot of a state, when we say, what were you doing at this time, and where's the feeling in that, we're able to kind of isolate different elements of how you represent that state to yourself. And magically speaking, the way we represent these states are the symbols. Okay, and in classic magic, the symbols range from things like, pentagrams and hexagrams to the images of deities and demons and angels and all of that kind of stuff. Okay, again, we talk about the idea of invocation being bringing a quality into you. So if you contemplate the image of a deity or an entity, the purpose is to acquire some of that state. Okay, I use the example of Ganesh, who's that Hindu elephant-headed god who symbolizes prosperity and luck and things like that. And Ganesh is doing, his various parts are doing different things. His hands, one hand is up holding something and one hand is down, and his trunk is going into this bag of snacks that he has. And so there's different things that are symbolized by this, and when you look at it, even if you don't necessarily understand what he's doing, there's an unconscious element to, picking up the state maybe that's represented by this.